Stock of the day, lots happening today. CSL had a good update with its flu vaccine going into Japan. We had lots of trading updates, but EML currently hampered by a number of EBITDA and cash flow negative business lines due to deteriorating customer performance and increasing costs. Did post a year-to-year October revenue of over $93 million, up 39% previous period. Underlying earnings almost tripled to $12.5 million. Looking ahead, the company expects underlying earnings to be in the $52 to $58 million range. Market, though, just caned it. Look at that, down almost 30%. Henry, what did you think of the update? This stock has been in the wars for a long time, hasn't it?
This stock has been in the wars for a long time. I think that's an understatement. It did have a period of a truce. It had there was a meeting in no man's land, and there was a bit of a truce there. Unfortunately, the truce is over. This company
just look at that. It didn't last long. You're looking at your truce there, July, August.
Yeah.
And now it's back to the same level. Exactly what you said.
There's many things that have had that sort of effect at the moment. I guess the problem is that they're shrinking back to their core business of prepaid cards, the ones you see in the supermarket.
Gift cards,
which you would imagine, I'm not sure is the growth engine that investors were really going for. There's been a lot of shareholder activism by Alta Fox on this one, trying to simplify the business. Obviously, they've had a lot of problems in Ireland with money laundering, etc., or alleged money laundering issues. So it's not been a happy story. And I guess 30% off today. They have reshaped the business today, 30% smaller in terms of market cap, at least today. So it's one that you kind of get tempted into every now and then. And there has been, along the way, some takeover rumours and some...
It was $5.70 a couple of years ago.
I know.
Is the worst over? Get the Irish on okay, all that sort
I remember going to a presentation day they had, talking about all the technology and everything they had. And they had all these wonderful speakers that were using the EML Payments technology in their business from all over the globe.
Yeah.
I did not understand a single word of it. Okay. I had no idea what this business did, and I think the market finally came to the conclusion that nobody had any idea what this business did, and not even the management had any idea what this business did. It just looked really cool on paper, like WeWork. It's one of those cool things. And clearly it came a cropper in Ireland that constrained their business. They're going back to basics. But why? Why be there at the end of the day? It really doesn't do it for me, even with a 30% fall. As I say, every now and then you get tempted because there are some M&A rumours about it, and it's kind of tempting, I guess, for private equity to look at it, and maybe there's something there. But shrinking to greatness is never a great thing, is it? Let's face it. You want growth stocks at the moment. That's where the money is,
and some stability,
and some stability, certainty, and not doing the wrong thing.
I must admit, when they got sort of stung for money laundering in Ireland, I thought, email, gift cards, money laundering, how's that? And then I thought it through and went, it's not a bad one. But if you had a dodgy 10 grand, buy 10 grand's worth of Bunnings gift cards, and
you know only too well about the whole scams that go on. Where my daughter was the victim of one of these scams, where you have to buy gift cards, etc., and give them. There's a lot of there's a lot more moving parts to this, and as I say, one day I saw all these people, and I had no idea what the hell was going on.
Andrew, what do you think of the update? And would you be in it?
Sorry, Koshy. When you see words like refocus, reducing management distraction, or my personal favourite, improved regulatory risk profile, whatever that means, then if that's not a Danger Will Robinson sign, I'm not quite sure what else you need. If you look at the PE prior to today, including today, it's trading on around 10 times earnings, assuming that you have confidence in the 2025 numbers. 10 times is okay. Technically, 40 cents is where you want to be buying it. where are we at the moment? 77. So I'm not saying it's going to 40, but I'm just saying for the risk you're being asked to bear, whilst management refocuses, having reduced their distraction and looking at their regulatory risk profile, 77 cents is not appealing. So thanks, but no thanks.